Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about why it doesn't make sense to follow Git feature branch merge strategy into your main branch if your team is working at very high speed and they are producing a lot many commits in a day. For example, let's say 20 commits in a day. So here I have a repository which is around learning Git merge versus rebase. I have checked it out in two different directories in my machine to mimic how a team would work. And I have this here a main branch where I have just one commit, and then also have a feature branch, okay, where I have made a commit on the feature branch which is add file B, and I have also made sure that I prefix the commits with the feature keyword, right, so that we know like which branch is which commit is made on the which branch. Okay, so now once you are done with your feature branch changes, you would like to test it, right? But once you test it, you are not very sure that if there are new changes onto the main branch, because as I said, your team is working at a very high speed. Definitely they will make some changes, right? And they will also commit those, okay, and push those changes, right? So once this changes have been pushed and you know that there could be some changes onto the main branch and you are not very sure that you should merge your feature branch to the main branch yet, so probably you would basically get the main branches changes onto your feature branch and do a git merge, right? Now, yes, if we see, do we have the main branch commit, recent main branch commit, modified file A? Yes, good. So if you want to test it right now and if it works fine, that's good. We again check out to the main branch and then we basically merge our feature branch onto the main branch, right? And if we see the git log, this looks good. Now let's push this change, right? But here is the problem. The problem is, if you see on the main branch, right now I'm on the main branch, right? But still you see a commit which says merge branch main into feature branch. So this commit was made for getting the main latest changes into the feature branch. I had to do it. We all will have to do it. But still, when this commit has come on to the main branch, it is kind of confusing, right? And also, if you see, the main branches commits and the feature branches commits are mixed all together. So it is hard to now tell which commits came first, because the commits while being merged are basically placed based on the timestamp here, right? So a commit on the main branch which came after the this particular feature branch commit will be on the top. So yeah, now you know why it doesn't make sense to follow the git merging strategy for the feature branches. What's the alternative? The alternative is to follow the git rebasing model, but it comes with own nuances. You might have to do a force push onto your feature branches, but we'll talk about that in detail in my git workshop. So till then, bye bye and stay safe online.